What's wrong?
We got a tough case in our hand, and I need your help. So apparently someone splashed ink on the wall, and there is no witness to it, and the camera only got a glimpse of the suspect, and our class teacher is very mad about it, and she asked us to find the details as soon as possible.
Don't worry, Jasmine, we got you.
But how are we gonna solve this?
Simple, using maths, trigonometry.
Oh.
But I need more clues. So let's go get some more clues.
Okay, alright, let's go. Thank God we finally got the clues, and we have to solve this anyhow, guys.
Don't worry, we'll do it for you, Jasmine.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, so the clues that I noted were ink mark is the shape of an elliptical. So how are we going to find anything from this information?
If the ink mark is elliptical, then it will help us find the impact angle, and then we can solve the mystery. But to find the impact angle, I need minor axis and major axis. Did any of you note it down?
Yeah. So the major axis is 29 millimeters, and the minor axis is 23 millimeters. So what are the other evidence that you found, Ashlyn?
Yeah, actually, I found a few more stuff and found out that the ink mark was 234 centimeters above the ground and that the suspect was 80 centimeters away from the wall.
Now with this information, we can solve our mystery. So let's go and solve it.
Nice.
Trigonometry, here we come. So now that we know that the ink mark is elliptical, which looks like this. This is an elliptical shape. Let's just pretend that this is the ink mark. And to find the impact angle that we are gonna find, we need to find the minor axis, which we already have, and the major axis. This here is known as the minor axis. And this here is the major axis. Here. Now we have this simple diagram. Now we need the measurements, which is minor axis is 23 millimeters. And the major axis is 29 millimeters. Now that we have all this, we can use sine ratio to find the impact angle. So sine ratio is approximately minor axis by major axis, which is equal to 23 divided by 29. Ashlyn, could you help me with the calculation, please?
Of course. It's 52.5.
Okay, so we got that the theta is approximately 52.5 degrees. Therefore, the impact angle equals to 52.5 degrees. Therefore, the impact angle is 52.5 degrees. Moving on. So girls, let's imagine a scenario.
Okay, genius.
So suppose this is our classroom wall. And this is the ink mark splashed on the wall. And then let's make the distance from the wall to the suspect. Suppose the suspect is standing right here. And then the angle of elevation here. Now we know that the angle of elevation is approximately 52.5 degrees, which we already found. And other information is we know that the distance from the wall and then the suspect is approximately 80 centimeters. Now we know that this is 80 centimeters, then this will obviously also be 80 centimeters. Now, we also know that the distance from the height from the ink mark and then the ground level is 234 centimeters. With all this information, let's mark these. This can be known as A, this can be known as B, C, D, and then E. So now that we have all this information, I need to find AB. So to find AB, I can do from triangle ABE, tan theta equals AB by BE. We already know what tan theta is, which is 52.5 degree approximately. AB, which we need to find, and B, which is 80 centimeters. And then we can do tan 52.5 degrees multiplied by 80 degree, which is AB. Jasmine, can you help me find the value of tan 52.5?
It's 1.3.
1.3. So 1.3 into 80 will be, Jasmine?
104 centimeters.
Perfect. So AB will equal 104 centimeter. Now that we have all this, moving on. Now that we know that AB is 104 centimeter, we need to find the height of the person. So we know that the total height from the ink mark to the ground level was 234 centimeter. So we can write height was 234 centimeter. And we can minus these two. So 234 minus 104 would be
130 centimeters.
130 centimeter. So now this 130 centimeter means that this is approximately the person's height, the suspect's height. So guys, we have found that the person is 130 centimeter approximately. So can I have the suspect list? So which one looks closer to you guys?
Second.
Second, LeBron, he is 135 centimeter, which is officially closer to 130 centimeter. So the culprit is LeBron.
What?
Yep.
LeBron?
Yes.
No way, I never expected him to be the culprit.
Such a decent guy. I thought it would be Baron who's over 200 centimeters.
Well, anyways, I'm really impressed by the way you solved this mystery when
Yep.
no one else could.
Yep.
You really are our little genius.
Yep.
I think I should take tuition from you.
Yes, let's go! Let's kill LeBron! Hello guys, hope you enjoyed our short mathematical drama. I'm Agrita.
I'm Jasmine,
And I'm Ashlyn.
and we're from grade 10.
And I hope you guys liked the short skit that we performed on mathematical thriller by using trigonometry. And I hope you can use this in your real life.
Thank you.